Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reset Windows 11. So first, you go to select the Windows icon and type settings, and after go to system and scroll down until you can see recovery option. Select the recovery option. In there, under the recovery options, you can see reset this issue. Select the option reset this issue and it will show you two options. So, uh, keep my files this option. This will remove apps but keep your personal files. This option remove everything. This will delete all files, apps, and all settings. So we need to remove everything. So select it, and there are two options to reinstall the Windows. Cloud download. What it does is downloads a fresh copy of Windows 11 from directly Microsoft, or you can select local install. It will reinstall from files already on your PC. So we don't need to download it again. So we select local reinstall. And this is the current setting applied. We can change the settings. So we only need to clean the drive, C drive only, Windows drive. So see, tick it, it will clean all drives. So we untick it. And if you can tick this clean data, it will take several hours. It will clean all drives. So we untick it and we select confirm and it will reset. And that's it. Windows 11 will reset in few minutes. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.